Hey guys, this is Yasir welcoming you all today, and our today's topic is how to apply knowledge. Earlier we have discussed how to gain knowledge. Now it's time to know how to apply those knowledge which we have gained earlier. If you have not seen the video yet, please go check it out as well. And moving on today's topic, we all read books, take classes, make notes, attend seminars, attend sessions to improve our knowledge and understanding about certain things. But it is the easy part. Putting knowledge into practically is much more tougher than gaining knowledge. Know that there is a big difference between gaining knowledge and applying those knowledge practically. So it's important to have a strategy so that you can apply the knowledge you have learned. The strategy is to create awareness, to build an understanding, to adopt things and to be committed to those things. This is the framework which I use to implement what I have learned practically. First thing is learn practical things. Relevancy is really important to put knowledge into practicality. If you don't have a practical knowledge, you can't implement it. While learning, always think that how you will apply these things in practical reasonings. Never just learn. Keep it in imagination and build in imagination how you are going to implement this knowledge. Fill the gaps in the mind. Do a debrief and journal it out, whatever you have learned. This will help in two different things, and then you can self-explain it to yourself and then to others. When you self-explain it to yourself, you have a better understanding in your own mind. When you discuss it with others, this will have an impact on your mind to get it inside yourself and to have confidence on it. And the other thing is others can help you with their application implementation thing, and others might rectify if there is any mistake or any good suggestions about its implementation. Second, now make a to-do list. Sometimes we don't know where to start, where to initiate what we have learned. Then we have trouble starting and implementing things. So make a to-do list and initiate the change. Don't hurry up doing all the thing at once. Instead, focus on one thing that needs to change and know how to initiate that change and implement one thing at a time only. Third, now have patience and fake it till you make it. It feels like being a fraud at times, but this tricks your brain, and not only your brain, others also, so that others may not interfere in your actions, and they feel or you also feel that you are capable and knowledgeable enough to implement these all knowledge. Learning takes time, but implementation takes more time. Once you apply all those things which you have made in your to-do list, your habit of faking is already half gone or some way sometimes completely gone. Till then, keep patience. Nobody is an overnight success, so don't feel that you will be the one either. Fourth, take actions. You can get confused at times, but be persistent. Remember that understanding more and implementing more will automatically build your confidence, and for this confidence sake, try to implement more and more and highlight it to take actions. Thank you for watching the complete video. Hope you have liked it. Please do like, comment and share to more people who are in need of it. Do subscribe and turn on the notification if you want to never miss an update in the future. Peace and richest blessings to you all. Thank you. There are a few key points which we need to take care of. 1. Have a feedback partner. Two essential components of implementation is accountability and feedback to ensure proper learning and implementation. Second, create learning metrics. Create your own improvement metric specific to your learning. This could be a new action repeated or old ones deleted. Third, find a mentor. In the previous session, I have mentioned how to find a mentor and who can be a mentor. Fourth, don't fear change. You should not fear change. Change is needed to improve. Fifth, don't fear mistakes. Mistakes are common when trying something new. So don't stop by fear of mistakes. Thank you for watching the complete video. Hope you have liked it. Please do like, comment and share to more people who are in need of it. Do subscribe and turn on the notification if you want to never miss an update in the future. Peace and richest blessings to you all. Thank you.